Hello, friends. Welcome to our wonderful forest. My name is Felix the Fox. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I want to introduce you to my amazing animal friends. Are you ready? Let's go. This is Ellie the elephant. Say hello, Ellie.
Hello, everyone. I am Ellie. I have big ears and a long trunk. I love to splash water and play with my friends.
And here is Leo the lion. He's the king of the jungle.
Hello, little friends. I am Leo. I have a big fluffy mane and a loud roar. But don't worry, I am a kind lion. I love to play and explore.
And this is Daisy the deer.
Hello, everyone. I am Daisy. I can run very fast. I love to hop and play in the forest.
And look up there. It's Polly the parrot.
Squawk. Hello, friends. I am Polly. I can fly high in the sky and I love to sing songs.
That was great, Polly. We all love to have fun in the forest together. Do you like animals too?
We are all different, but we are best friends.
That's right. We play and help each other.
And we take care of our beautiful forest home.
We had so much fun meeting new friends today. Thank you for joining us. See you next time for more adventures.